Remember, 80% of our communication is nonverbal. If you're only listening with your ears, you risk misinterpreting 80% of what someone's trying to say. So here's some ideas to help you combat the most common listening mistakes. First, if you're going to attend a long meeting or conference or a workshop, look at the agenda and look for where the breaks are located. Since active listening takes a physical toll on us, it's okay to need a break in order to be at your best listening performance. If you don't see any pre-scheduled breaks, ask the leader ahead of time. If you do that tactfully, the meeting facilitator is actually going to appreciate your willingness to ensure the best listening experience for the entire group. Something else to consider. Look for the pitfalls and usual suspects that often cause you to listen with only your ears. Maybe not getting enough sleep makes it hard for you to stay fully engaged. Or maybe you recognize that every afternoon tiredness and fatigue sets in and makes it harder for you to tune into the people that are talking to you. Eliminate the distractions that pull your attention away instead of listening. Whatever they may be, identify the culprit and identify the culprits that make active listening harder for you. Lastly, consider this, which really helped transform my relational equity in the workplace. When someone is done talking, ask them if you can summarize in your own words what they just said. It's really easy to hear what they say but miss what they meant. Summarizing it back to that person shows that you listened and, more importantly, that you even cared to get it right. Now, what experience do you have with listening with your ears? Are you guilty of doing it? How do you feel when someone you're talking to is only ear listening to you? Do you have any tips that you can share on how to avoid making this costly mistake? Take a moment and write a comment here or in the Facebook group. We all learn from each other, so don't forget to share your thoughts. And remember, you can always reach out to me directly. I enjoy hearing from my students in my courses. Okay, see you in the next lesson.